Creating your own holiday ornaments not only saves a lot of money, but it creates memories for you and your entire family. Part of reusing, recycling, and repurposing, or recycle, reusing, and repurposing, is that you take things that you normally throw in the trash, like these paper towel rolls, a cardboard roll, and you make something out of it. So all you have to do is simply cut off pieces, and if you make the pieces thin, you could create something else, or you can make them thicker. This is a holiday ornament. This is a holiday ornament, and all I did was I took water bottle caps and put them together and just painted it so that it makes it a little bit more interesting. You can hang it on a tree, leaning on a wall. It's a cute craft. You can paint it and color it in, or you can leave it solid. But for this purpose, I would like to show you this ornament. All I did was I took a gold metallic pen and I colored it in. And you can see you don't have to hang it this way. You can hang it this way so that it will spin around. Or you can just lean it up against a wall or a piece of furniture. But for today's video, what I would like to do is create a display on this jar cap by hot gluing these pieces onto the jar cap, putting one of these glass gems in the center, and then attaching it to one of the bottle caps like I showed you. So let's start our craft. If you want, you can make it any color bottle cap. So let's start our craft. So to start, I'm going to hot glue the petals to the top and to each other to make it a little bit easier so that they'll stay on. So I'm just putting the hot glue here and on the petal and attaching it to the lid. If it's a little off center, don't worry, you can easily tear it off. It's easy to take hot glue off. It kind of rolls off. And if it gets a little messy, don't worry about it. Part of crafting is just having a good time, spending time with people you care about, and creating something, most of all a memory. So once you're finished, you can now use this lid on any jar and it will screw on. The reason you're putting it off to the side a bit is so that you can still open and close the jar with the lid. Could you imagine spray painting this a pretty color and having this on your table when your guests come over? You can also use it as a party favor. Once at the end of the night, you can give it to your guests and they'll have this pretty jar with this multicolor flower. And it's easy because it's off center. It's easy to screw it and unscrew it on. You could, of course, put it in the middle of the lid and make it sort of an ornament that you can hang on a tree. But I like it this way because it's still functional. It's pretty and it's functional. It would be gorgeous if you spray painted it, or you could just use it like I'm using on a jar with a votive, or you could use it on any jar and just put it as a centerpiece. This is a great party favor. You can leave it on a table, hang it on a Christmas tree. But I think it's nice to have something that isn't just a pretty ornament, but is also functional. I'm going to show you one other craft in a moment. So we're going to make one of these ornaments like I showed you in the beginning. It's so simple. All you do is hot glue one petal to the other petal, and then when you have these petals together, you put some hot glue on both petals, kind of in the middle, and then you take a petal and put it in the center. Then you go to the other side of the ornament. I like to put my fingers in the petals this way, and then you hot glue it. Be careful because the hot glue is hot. And then you put the petal here. And then once you start to see the pattern developing, look for a spot where you would like to place a petal. It doesn't matter how many petals you put on this. I'll just add a few more petals. If I wanted to, I could, I guess, add another petal someplace else, but I think I'll keep it simple by just adding a petal right here. And so I'll turn it around this way. And if it gets extra glue, don't worry about that. Stick a petal right in here. And then all you have to do is, if you want, open up the petals a bit. And then in the center, you'll put some hot glue in the center right here and add a glass gem right to the center. So in a matter of minutes, you took something that would normally be thrown away or put in the recycling bin, and you made something really pretty out of it. So I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.